everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is perfume monthly subscription Scent Addict. If you're new to Scent Addict and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose this month, then you'll find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. I'll pop a link to the subscription down below, as well as any discount codes. Previously, there used to be a discount code for 20% off your second subscription box that you take out. If there's anything different, then I'll pop it down there. And you'll also see all my other discount codes and offers I've got running for different websites, and my giveaway that I've currently got running on Instagram. It might have finished by the time this video goes up, but if not, then you'll still see a link to it in my description. So yeah, Scent Addict then is a monthly perfume subscription from the fragrance shop. It costs £12 a month, and that includes shipping, and you get to choose the perfume that you want to receive. You get an 8ml perfume. In your first box, you'll receive this packaging, and your choice of perfume will come in this box, and you will have a atomizer as well. This is only with your first box that you take out. You get to choose what shade atomizer you want. I love purple, it's my favourite colour, so that's what I've gone for. You just pop your perfume in the top there. I'll show you when I open this month's perfume. Comes nicely presented in a little box like that. After that, you just receive a little envelope with your perfume in, and that's it, which is fine because it's only the perfume you want, really. If you just want to take out a one-off box, then you can do so for £18. If you take out a subscription, then the £12 voucher that you receive in your confirmation email, it will entitle you to have £12 off a 100ml of your selected perfume. Now there's a choice of over 500 different perfumes, and you can create a calendar. So if you're planning on subscribing on a monthly basis for quite a long while, it doesn't have to be, it could be like a month or two, or it could be 12 months, completely up to you. You go into your account, you click on choose your next perfume, then you will see what looks like a calendar. So for me, for instance, I started this subscription, I think it was February. I think so, February or March anyway. So I've pre-selected all my perfumes up until this month. I have to do it again now for the following months because I haven't got anything up there. But you can fill in the whole 12 months. You can change anytime you want to as well, so you don't have to stick to what you've chosen. A few months ago, I chose Portofino by Tom Ford, which is a super expensive perfume. And for £12 for 8ml, definitely worth a saving there. Unfortunately, it didn't last that long. I was expecting it to be a longer lasting perfume, but we're all different, aren't we? And how perfume reacts with us and smells on us and things like that. But yeah, that was just my experience. That wouldn't put me off getting it again or any other Tom Ford perfumes in the subscription, but I wouldn't necessarily go out to shop now and spend over £100 on that Portofino Tom Ford perfume because I know it doesn't last that long on me. So it's a good way of trying perfumes before committing to like something that is really expensive and you may not even like it. Plus the size is so handy, and they say it's enough to last you a month. If you're in love with one particular perfume and you don't care about any other perfumes, you could choose the same one every single month if you want to. So you'll never run out of it. Say for instance you opted for Tom Ford Portofino, it's the first thing that comes into my brain. You get 8ml a month. At the end of the year, that'll give you just under 100ml. If you were to buy that perfume at 100ml, you're talking over £200. Doing it this way, it'll cost you about £140, £144, something like that. That is Tom Ford, which is a really expensive perfume. There's lots of different price points in the subscription. So that's just giving you an idea of where you could save money if that is something you wanted to do. Or if, like me, not necessarily interested in saving money, I just want to try different perfumes out to see if I can find any new favourites, then yeah. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'm having a bit of a coughing fit behind the scenes here, which is why my eyes are probably watering up. If I miss anything out, then please ask away. Let's get on to showing you them. What I received this month, what I chose. I chose Lancome Idol. I love this perfume. This is what it looks like. I've had a few squirts already. Couldn't resist when I was opening it up. So you just pop it in the top there and you twist it. Spray, twist it back down again. Handy to put in your handbag or whatever. It's a really gorgeous scent. I do really like it. I have had the full size 50, 75ml bottle, but as I mentioned in a previous video, the actual proper full-size bottles, they're flat, so they don't stand upright. You have to have them flat or leaning up against anything, and it kept on falling over all the time there, so I ended up putting it in my drawer and I never used it, so I ended up giving it to my mum. So when I saw it on the Scent Addict subscription, I thought, yeah, I've got it then. It's round, it's fine, that can stand upright, I could pop it in my bag, so I'm really happy with that. I haven't chosen for next month yet, so I'm not sure what I should go for. If you've got any recommendations, then please let me know. Type of perfumes I love. My number one is Libra, but Yves Saint Laurent. Absolutely love that. I love Paco Rabanne, Olympia, and Lady Million as well, and the intense versions. So that's the sort of perfume I do really like. Oh, what else? Narciso Rodriguez. I love the perfumes there. So yeah, I'm a little bit difficult, aren't I, to actually pinpoint perfumes because they're all quite different. I tend to go for fruity floral. Doesn't matter. I'd love to hear your thoughts of this subscription if you subscribe, or are you learning about this subscription for the first time? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.